applicatore di ristrutturazione, amplificateur de restructuration. Argan plant stem cells repairs the hair, increasing its elasticity and strength, gloss, and vibrancy without weighing it down. Hola gente, what is up my people? Welcome to yet another video where we test out new hair care on camera and my hair takes a bullet. So over the past 2 years since we started this series, my hair has sometimes thanked me and sometimes, well, quite the opposite. Some of you have agreed and others have not, but at all times I remain imperfect, transparent, and sponsored. Well, you guys know I do accept sponsorships, but never hair care related, just to keep things unbiased. Shocked at the infinite number of hair care products that exist in this planet, and nobody will ever need as many hair products as I own in a lifetime, and I'm still purchasing new ones every single week. Hopefully, you know, save you some money because you end up making a lot less mistakes than I do. Hopefully. So with all that in mind, if you're still here and you haven't clicked out, please be sure to subscribe so that we get to meet again. After testing hundreds of hair care products, you would think that nothing would surprise me. But today I can frankly say that I am still surprisable. We are going to be testing out this Alpha Semi di Lino Restructuring Multiplier. This is for very damaged hair, and what makes this treatment quite unique is not only it's made in Italy, presentation, the little bottle, and the 12 vials right here, but its formulation. It is an elixir containing argan plant stem cells. Not so long ago, everybody was raving about super expensive luxury skincare products that contained plant stem cells. Ooh, this is just so interesting. Genesis. I love when we have to do some special mixes. I'm just gonna go ahead and shampoo my hair. Let's make that really quick. Wow, that was easy. I also brought with me a bowl where we're gonna do the magic mix. Shake well, remove the cap, dispense 25 milliliters of the product by pressing gently. It is exactly like the Olaplex #1. You have to go once up to here and then once up to here. Ooh. And I'm just putting everything in there, and then we need 5 mils, which is up to here. Just a tiny bit right there. Okay, it looks like Hulk blood or liquid kryptonite. It smells a little bit like chemically. Yeah, it may be a little bit too strong for some people, but we'll see. Maybe it does not remain in your hair. And now let's come with the little thingies. This is our next step. And we're gonna mix it. Everything else fails, at least we can say it was fun. So then we have to mix things. Probably not like this. This is better. Do I get extra points because I'm actually right-handed? And what we're left with is this slime gone wrong type of a lightweight cream. It's not a lot of product, I'm afraid. And now I'm going to take these clips and we're going to section the hair, and we're going to apply strand by strand. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Do I look like I know what I'm doing? Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. And now the next step is to process under heat. So you could use one of these caps. Of course, I'm gonna link this down below, and your blow dryer to apply some heat, but it's a 15-minute exposure time, which is quite a bit, to be honest, to be holding the blow dryer. Lucky me, I have this golden hot heat cap, which is hilarious. Very practical for these cases. So nice, we time. And Go ahead, laugh, I don't mind. I'm gonna set the timer to 15 minutes. Flammable. Keep away from heat sources and open flames. Maybe that's why it smells so strong. Maybe there's a lot of alcohol in this. All right, it's all nice and warm here. I'm just gonna go ahead and rinse this off thoroughly, and then I'll be back to style my hair as usual. Show you guys the big reveal, the after we have all been waiting for. Wow, this really smells strong, but I don't know if it's worth it. I may be able to overlook that. Okay, here we are. Did I miss something? Because my hair feels super tangled and I'm just scared of styling it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and check the instructions one more time.
De agua podemos aplicar un producto para el styling y procedemos al cepillado y el planchado.
It says to just apply a styling product and style your hair, like blow dry the hair. On one hand, I want to follow the instructions and just apply, for instance, the Kerastase Discipline on my hair and blow dry as I always do. On the other hand, I kind of want to apply some kind of hydrating mask because it feels kind of dry, and definitely it is full of tangles. It feels more of like a post-shampoo result, at least for now, than a post-treatment result, if that makes sense. What I'm gonna do is apply a styling product, the Kerastase Discipline Fluidissime. The tangles, my friend. In general, those products that promise to strengthen, restructure, tend to do little to nothing when it comes to hydration or deep conditioning. All right, hold on. Usually when I just blast dry my hair, it starts to become a little bit wavier than what I'm seeing right now. Also, I may be jumping the gun here, but it just feels super dry. The Kerastase Discipline Fluidissime is actually heat activated as well, so maybe it will give me a little bit of that smoothness that right now my hair is absolutely lacking. Wow, I really don't know if I like this right now. Ooh, that shine though. Enchanté. Where is all this volume coming from? I have my reservations about this product, and I'm gonna get into those points in just a sec. I've used it on its own. I've used it as part of many routines. Very easy to differentiate what is coming from the Kerastase Fluidissime and what is coming from the Moltiplicatore di Ristrutturazione. Frizz control, I'm pretty sure, is coming from the Kerastase Fluidissime. This is one of my favorite anti-frizz styling products. I'm not sure for how long because, well, I try new things every single week. I don't think my hair feels particularly soft or deep conditioned, and those were not things that this product promised, so I can see why they would be missing. That said, I do see increased shine, and for some weird reason it kind of helped me straighten my hair. Really confuses me, but it's definitely not in the claims. Increased shine and gloss, I mean, I see it. What I don't see, increased elasticity. I mean, maybe it's not that obvious to the touch to me, but it's not, I think it's strongest point is color vibrancy and radiance. That is the one claim that I would say yes. Now, regarding my reservations for this product, I feel that it's in the edge of becoming really dry, and I'm not surprised because we did not deep condition. The product doesn't promise to deep condition. It doesn't ask you to use a deep conditioning product afterwards, so you know, I may change my mind later. I'm gonna do a quick checking a few hours from now, and I'm gonna insert it right here, right now. A very quick update. It's been about 8 hours since I applied this on my ends. They look kind of stiff, definitely not flexible or bouncy. Don't get me wrong, I still think that all the good points that I mentioned before are still there. I just want to be super honest about the cons. If your main concern is dry hair, please just skip it. It's not for you. Other than that, I think it's an interesting treatment, definitely worth giving it a shot. And of course, I do understand that this is just a first use, but to be 100% honest, if I'm looking to strengthen my hair, I just know I'm going to go for Olaplex. I cannot give it like the highest score. I will have to say I still believe it's a 3.5 out of 5. And that is it for today, guys. I hope that final check-in went well. I have no idea, clearly, because I am pre-filming this outro. If you've tried this, don't forget to leave me your review in the comment section below. You may agree or disagree, why not, right? Thank you so much for watching, for hanging out with me here today. Remember, no matter what comes your way, stay brave. You are a warrior with the heart of an angel, and I will catch up with you guys again on my next one. Ciao. Do you wanna follow? Click here.